It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She'll put on her makeup and brush her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love out of your eyes. I don't wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, but I've gotta make him laugh. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, I said try not to lie. I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.